Yep.
Got it?
Yep. Well, he wants to go.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
told you you were going for a ride.
That was all his choice.
Was it? Yeah, she won't jump with a Western saddle on.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
You can sit on that bar stool if you want.
No, because
Yeah,
you're
you
taking
can-
the pictures.
Well, yeah, no, I'm videoing it, so you can tell when it's doing the numbers.